went into Joanns today for a zipper. Y'all know how it goes. Just for a zipper for a dress that I am working on. But I'm going to a concert this weekend, and I was like, hey, maybe I'll make myself a pair of cargo shorts. I had this vision of cargo shorts. Well, cargo shorts turned into all of these patterns. So let's go through them. First up was Simplicity 9323. I saw a dress on social media, if it will focus, that had this dress with like a drawstring in the front. I think I'm gonna try to do that. We're gonna see. And I've been more in this, like, I want to make more of the clothes I wear. Like, I do enjoy making clothes for other people and other projects, but I don't actually make a lot of clothes for myself unless it's a special occasion. So I had the thought process that I am going to start wearing clothes on a regular basis that I have sewn myself. So that turns into another Mimi G, my fave, 9740. This very cute, like, polo over piece, something easy that I can wear to work or, you know, out running around. I'm excited for this one. I have to find what type of fabrics I want to use this for, but I'm excited about this. The next one was like a muumuu, which are kind of coming back in style, so don't hate it. It is Simplicity 8911. Now, the coat shoulder, I can't stand a coat shoulder. But the one with just a little dome and body, I'm kind of excited. I think I could find something like cool to like make this in and make it like an easy, you know, something to wear around. And again, I'm thinking about stuff I can wear more often, but also thinking about, I'm kind of in the mood for like oversized, loose fitting, flowy, great fabric type garments. So with that in mind, I've got an oldie but goodie Simplicity 8640. This little like woven like shirt dress. Like, I could see something like this in a cool print just to wear to the office. And there's like some seaming detail there, which I feel like could be cool for some color blocking. Next is Simplicity 9102, and it's kind of like this baby gauze looking fabric, and I'm kind of excited about this. Like, I usually avoid these like high seams, but I feel like if done correctly, it could be a good one. I think like a black and white print, like something all over, would be great for this. And then lastly, what I actually was thinking about when I started my journey, mind you, all of the Simplicity patterns were $1.99 today, which is the reason why I bought 6 of them. But the last one is the actual cargo shorts. I was looking for something a little bit more oversized, and these only go up to a 2XL. So I'm gonna see what they look like on. I couldn't land on a fabric. I actually really wanted to do like a black and white, like Ankara, like Kente something type fabric, but my favorite store was closed. I don't know why they were closed. So I had to look to see what they had at the other stores, which aren't my favorite. They didn't have anything. So we're gonna come back to this one. I might do a sew along for these. I am going to see the Erykah Badu this weekend, and I got a cool Erykah Badu t-shirt, and I thought cargo shorts with my high top Converses would be the way to go. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's what I got this week at the pattern sale at Joanns. I think next week is going to be McCall's. There was a few McCall things that I wanted to buy when I was looking up things that I might want to get from the pattern sale. But yeah, stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you like my what patterns I bought, comment below. Maybe I'll do this more often, and maybe we can pick a couple of these to make tutorial sew alongs with.